Hi friends, welcome to myTectra. Today we are going to talk about an interesting question. In fact, this is one of the most frequently asked questions by the people who are inquiring courses with myTectra. Yes, today we are going to talk about the question, can mechanical engineer do an artificial intelligence training? The answer is of course yes. The mechanical engineer is one of the best fit to do an artificial intelligence training. To give you a brief, a mechanical engineer plays a central role in designing and building the physical product such as cars, bikes, medical devices and so many other engineering products. In the near future, every machine and computers will have some level of artificial intelligence or fully automated using AI. Today, artificial intelligence is moving in leaps and bounds. The mechanical engineering sector is one of the primary consumer of artificial intelligence as a technology. Currently, companies are moving towards adopting more and more automations using artificial intelligence. For example, I hope many of you know that Ola has launched the Ola Future Factory. The Ola Future Factory, which is the world's largest electric scooter manufacturing facility located in Tamil Nadu. This factory will have more than 3,000 AI-driven robots. So that's the kind of industrial automations we are talking about using AI-driven technologies. AI also can majorly impact the mechanical engineering product design services. For example, when it comes to designing the concept, examining the product, either AI will design the product autonomously with little help from mechanical engineer, or it will work as a self-assistant to mechanical engineers. The advancement of artificial intelligence create many questions such as, will I lose my job because of robots? Will all jobs will be taken over by robots? The answer is partially yes. Artificial intelligence will eliminate most of the recurring jobs currently done by mechanical engineers. In fact, artificial intelligence will create more jobs for those who learn AI as a developer or AI technician or various other job roles. Companies are also looking for specialists and engineers who can master the respective process because AI can only function with existing process knowledge. The use of AI-based solutions does not replace people in mechanical engineering, but requires them as a trainer or managers. Further training in this field therefore plays a decisive role. AI competency is not only required by IT specialists and programmers but also by employees of all functions, levels and departments. Are you a mechanical engineer who want to do artificial intelligence training? Friends, listen. The 21st century will see everything it's never possible in the earlier century as possible using artificial intelligence. If the last century been ruled by automobiles, computers and internet, believe me, this century is going to be ruled by artificial intelligence. Everywhere, every business and every application there will be an AI in the coming days. Friends, there has never been a better time to do an artificial intelligence training than now. Please go for it. myTectra is one of the leading artificial intelligence training company based out of Bangalore. In case you need any help in doing artificial intelligence training, we are here to help you. Please reach us now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to myTectra channel to watch more technical videos and career advice. Thank you. Best of luck.